Do your quilt layers shift around when top stitching? Or when working with slippery fabrics, do they refuse to feed evenly? If so, a walking foot for your Bernina sewing machine could be a game changer. The Bernina walking foot has little feed dogs on top that work together with the machine's feed dogs underneath. They clamp your fabric layers evenly, preventing slipping and keeping everything aligned beautifully. Let me show you how to put the walking foot onto your Bernina sewing machine. Let's remove the needle. And the foot we currently have on the machine to give us a bit of space. To make it easier to put the foot on, let's put the needle bar down as well. Put this little lever in the metal arm where you tighten your needle, starting off on a slight angle. Rotate the walking foot so it sits straight. Slot it into the foot holder and close the locking lever to secure it in place. That's it! We're ready to sew with our walking foot. This is the box that the Bernina walking foot comes in. This set comes with 3 soles for different sewing applications. To change the sole, you can use the provided screwdriver to loosen this screw at the side. When the screw is loosened, the sole should be able to pop out. The soles are held on well, so you may need to wiggle it a bit to get it free. Replace it with another sole, ensuring the holes in the sole are lined up with the little pins, and then retighten the screw. The guide is attached using this little metal piece here. Place the metal piece at the back of the walking foot like this, and then slide the guide through the hole. Secure it in place by tightening the screw. There's 2 types of walking feet for Bernina machines. One for the older style of Bernina machines with the 2 prongs on top, and another for the newer styles of Bernina machine. There's a link to these products in the description for you if you think it'll help out with your sewing. Soon there will also be a walking foot designed with a 9mm stitch width as well. I will update the description with a link to that one as well when it's available. If you found this helpful, please leave us a like and consider subscribing.